Hey yo, look, men being players, women being players. Look, man, all that's fornication at the end of the day. And fornication, it destroys marriages, which would then destroy families, which would then destroy a nation of people. And the families which make up that nation of people. See, you say, well, what's wrong with fornication? Why not be free or at liberty to do what you want to do? Well, they set liberties in places where it should not be. See, when there is no order, there's chaos, man. Now you got women having children with multiple men, and now these children are growing up and they're not really having a stable household, a stable family environment. It starts at home. This is how we build and grow as a nation of people, man. So we really gotta reconsider and think these changes that's been happening in America. It's not good.